In this video, we will install and evaluate Artix Linux. We visit its website and then scroll down to see the download options. There are several desktop environments available. For this test, we will use LXQt with the minimalist S6 init system. Artix, despite being based on Arch, has limited compatibility with older NVIDIA graphics cards. We add Neofetch so that it can boot. The live system boot time is slow. Artix was released in 2017, and the latest version as of today is from October 2025. Once on the desktop, we run install Artix, which launches Calamares. It remains waiting for 2 modules for more than 4 minutes. After it finishes, we select the language and keyboard layout. Then we choose the target disk and the erase disk option. Now we enter the name, username, hostname, and password. We enable automatic login and set it to use the same password for root. The installation starts. Despite receiving criticism for bugs and other issues, Artix has been well reviewed by the community. The system boots for the first time. The boot time is slightly higher compared to Arch. Then it enters the desktop. We review the desktop, the panel, and the menu. We see the applications installed by default in the LXQt desktop environment. We open the terminal and increase the font size and window size to improve visibility. We synchronize the repositories. We try to install the packages needed for the evaluation, but GLmark2 and VKmark are not found. We try using Yay to install them, but they are also not available in the repositories. We install the packages that are available and wait for the installation to finish. We also install Git and base-devel, since we will need to manually compile and install several packages. However, several library errors appear, along with issues related to Meson and pip. Installation with Yay also fails. GLmark2 was installed, but there are issues with the graphics cards. We try using Paru as well, but it also fails. NVIDIA drivers causes many conflicts. We abandon the graphics evaluation. We run Neofetch to view system information such as the kernel, desktop environment, and memory. We run commands to check the distro version, kernel version, memory usage, and disk usage. Then we verify the Y2038 bug. Next, we run sysbench to evaluate CPU performance with 1 thread and with 5 threads. Both results are average and similar to Arch. Then we test threads and mutexes to evaluate concurrency and locking. Once again, the results are average, slightly above Arch. Next, we test memory read and write performance to evaluate memory management. Here, the results are excellent, above Arch. We also test disk read and write performance. This test produces very good results, but slightly below Arch Linux. We run top to observe the resources consumed by Firefox with a single window open. At first, execution issues appear due to some conflicts. Now we open a second tab with a video, then a third and a fourth tab. The result is average, similar to Arch Linux. We close the windows. We have finished the evaluation of Artix Linux, shut down the system, and now proceed to the conclusions. Artix Linux is a distribution based on Arch Linux. An advantage for beginner users is the use of the Calamares installer. However, there is a noticeable level of package instability, and additional configuration is required. Performance has improved compared to Arch. That's all for this video. If you liked it, subscribe, leave a like, and enable notifications. See you in the next video.